हमको विजुअल रिकॉर्ड करना इसलिए बना है ताकि जो पार्ट एक्टिव है वो फोकस करें, ठीक है। जैसे ये वाला पार्ट है, जूम कैसे करते हैं, ये जो ये है ना, यहाँ से पकड़,
कौन सा पीछे वाला आगे वाला?
हाँ इसको पकड़ के ऐसे जूम,
हाँ
तो इसको ऐसे
बट
घुमा।
हमको बनाना भी है।
इसको तू नहीं करेगा, तू ये करेगा।
Is Tatiana coming? I don't know. I have to call her. I'm very lucky she's even seeing me. I thought things were going okay. They were kind of complicated. Well, what is it? How many? All right. 4. Sign well.
4. It will be 5-10 minutes.
So, what do you want to do? Let's go somewhere else. Up to we don't have the time to go anywhere else. Let's just eat here and then grab the noodle. I have to call Tatiana. There's the phone. Excuse me, are you going to be much long?
Last group. 4, 3.
Did I do such a terrible thing? You mean lying to your uncle? I couldn't have dinner with him. It was Back to the Future 3. One night only. The big screen. My hands were tied. You know, it's a public phone. You're not supposed to chit chat. Jerry, can you get the menu so we can order right away when we start? Can't get the menu right now. Gotta eat at the table. He knows I'm here. He sees me. He just doesn't want to look. Everything just has to be so with you, doesn't it? Hey, I offered you the cookies at my house. Health cookies. I hate those little dust board fructose things. What is with people? What is with humanity? What is with the world? What? I think I know her somewhere. Woman with the dark hair in the stripes. I've seen her before. She looks so familiar.
Excuse me.
Did you see that? They just came in and they got a table. They must have been here from before. No, they just came in. Can you talk to me about it? Excuse me, are you going to be much longer? I have to make a very important phone call. Excuse me, we saw them going in. I think we were ahead of them. Yeah.
What's your name?
Seinfeld?
No. They were here before. Take it. 2.
Have you seen how happy people get when they finally get a table? They act so special as a different truth. Honestly, it makes me sick. Boy, you really are hungry. Hey! If anything happens, can I count on you? What? If we decide to go into it, yeah, I really want to get into a rumble. Well, I'll have to get in touch with Tatiana. And I really hate that guy with his matching outfit, his matching socks, his matching shirt. I really hate it. I'm gonna fail. Hey, George, do you recognize that woman over there in the stripes? I don't know her. You know, it really should be first come, first served. It should be based on who's hungriest. I swear to God, I feel like picking up food from the table and eating. I'll tell you what. I'll give you $50 if you go ahead and do it. What do you mean? I mean, you walk over there, you pick up an egg roll, you don't say anything, you eat it, say thank you very much, wipe your mouth, walk away, I give you $50. What are they gonna do? They're not gonna do anything. In fact, you're just gonna give them a story to tell for the rest of their lives. $50. You're giving me $50. $50. That table over there and those people. Okay, but if I do it and then come back here, I hope there isn't a loophole like you didn't put mustard on it or something. No tricks. What do you think, George? For $50? A resounding no.
Sorry it took so long.
Oh, that's okay. You don't worry about it. How do people fast? Then Gandhi ever go crazy? I'm gonna go have it at the school. I told my uncle I had a stomachache. Think he bought it? Probably. So, what's up with Tatiana? I shouldn't even be telling you this. Ah, come on. Then she invited me back to her place after dinner last week, and you. Well, it's this little place, you know, with this little bathroom. It's like, it's not even down the hall or in an alcove. You understand? There's no buffer zone. So, we're fooling around, and it's the first time, and we're going, and I start to perceive this impending intestinal requirement, which I know is going to surpass by great lengths any need in the sexual realm. So I know I'm going to stop. And as this is happening, I'm thinking, even if I can somehow manage to momentarily extricate myself from the proceedings and relieve this unstoppable force, I know that bathroom is not going to provide me with the privacy that I need. This could only happen with you. Yeah. So I finally stop and I say, Tatiana, I hope you don't take this the wrong way, but I think it would be best if I left. You said this to her after. No, you're right. Go ahead. Yeah. Wow. So I'm dressing up and this woman is staring up at me, struggling to compute this unprecedented turn of events. I don't know what to say to reassure this woman. First of all, I don't have the time to say it. The only reason I think she might have accepted is that Tatiana, I am in fact Batman, and I'm sorry but I just received the vaccine. It took me 3 days of calling her to get her to go out with me again. And she's expecting a call from me now and she's still on the phone. I hate this place. Why do you even come here? I'm never coming here again. I feel like I know that woman from somewhere. Remember when we were kids and we went out to eat with our parents for the first time? Remember it was such a treat and we'd go out and have these different dishes and it'd be lovely and exciting and delicious. And now I feel like I'm a sweaty hog waiting for them to fill up the door. Oh, she's off. Jerry, we need to go talk to the guy. What do you want me to say? Say that we have a movie and we're getting late.
Hey, what's things in here?
Mr. Cohen, haven't seen you in a couple of weeks.
Well, I've been looking for a better place now.
A better place. Should I get you a table?
No, just give me a plate. I eat here.
Give me a plate. Come, I'll give you a table.
Excuse me. Now I know that you are head of that man, yeah?
Mr. Cohen is always here.
He's always here. What does that mean? What does that mean?
See, Mr. Cohen is a very nice man. We live on Park Street.
What on earth is this place? Where are you? She's not there. I missed it. She must have called, she must have waited, but those people wouldn't get off the phone. Did you leave a message? Yeah, I did. I told her to call her and ask for a bald, stocky man with glasses. I better tell him. Oh dear, here comes the woman
very busy.
Boy, really anxious to get a table tonight.
Very good specials tonight.
There's anything you can do to get us a table quicker. We really
Oh,
appreciate
what is your name?
No! I want the table now.
Yes, we have sea bears dinner. Very fresh.
Take the money, we're starving, and I want the dinner now. Stay there, stay there.
Williamson, free. Your table is ready.
I want my table, no, no, no. What are you doing? What on earth is this? He took the money and then give me the table. You lost the 20. What was I supposed to do? You didn't make it clear. Make it clear. What a sorry exhibition that was. Alright, let me go get the money back. Excuse me. I realize this is extremely embarrassing, but my friend here has apparently made a mistake.
Your name?
Seinfeld?
Yeah, Seinfeld 4.
Oh, no. You see, my friend over there with the long hair?
Yes. Very beautiful girl. Very beautiful. Is she your girlfriend?
Oh, well, we did date for a while, but that's really not relevant here.
Relationships are difficult. It's very difficult.
Alright, listen. How much more time is it going to be?
Oh, just 5-10 minutes.
So, it seems there's a bit of a discrepancy. How much time? 5-10 minutes. We should have left earlier, I told you. Well, we're not going to be able to eat here and make it to the movies. Well, I want to eat. It's okay, we'll just order some Chinese food and eat in the cab. Eat it in the cab? Eat Chinese food in the cab? We eat it in the movies. Oh, where do you think you're going? It's not like we have ticket tables there. Then what do you suggest? I suggest we get out of here and go to Skyburger. Skyburger? I'm not going to Skyburger. It's in the opposite direction. Let's just eat popcorn for dinner.
Cartwright!
Popcorn for dinner?
Cartwright!
They have hot dogs at the movies. Movie hot dogs. I'd rather lick food off of the floor. Listen, I have to wait here for Tatiana's call. Let me check. Excuse me, I'm expecting a call, Costanza.
Yes, I just got a call. I yelled, Cartwright! Just like that. Nobody answered. I hung up.
Well, was it Costanza?
Yes.
Then
Nobody answered.
Then was it a woman?
Yeah. I tell her, you not here. She said curse word, I hang up.